Perfectly cut explosion part 1. Hit the button and let's break the algorithm together.
Have you ever wondered why we sit on chairs? We rely on 4 sticks to hold the weight of our whole body, but my uncle prefers to sit on a loaded SPAS-12 and
on TikTok, and if it zooms it on your face, you're eliminated. 3, 2, 1, turn! Larry!
Bak şu boş mesela. Şunun boş
Boş
olmama
bitti
şansı yok.
oğlum.
Oğlum bu da boş.
Aa
Al.
gerçi değiştirdi.
Bak şimdi bak bu da boş al.
Doğru.
Auto!
No, you just put the lighter in there?
No, you didn't.
I swear to God.
Did you just put the lighter in the fire?
Sound God, you put it in. Seriously.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
I should have. I didn't. I don't know. I did that.
Did you?
Hi there, would you like to sign my petition? Not only do I not want to back this, I'm gonna actively tell people not to.
Kaboom.
Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
I just robbed already. I stole his laptop and stuff, but I just... Hello guys, this is Malek. I just robbed already. I stole his laptop and stuff, but I just... Hello guys, this is Malek. I just robbed already.
My main goal is to.
Actuator swap out and test is complete. We're closing up and exiting the tower. I'll check in when we reach the LCC. I'm hungry. Do they still have those double-decker cheeseburgers?
It's toasty.
A German soldier stripped a civilian and put on his clothes during World War II. He did this because the Germans had lost the Battle of Kursk and were completely defeated. To avoid being captured, he forced the civilian to swap clothes with him, allowing the soldier to escape while the Soviets were busy interrogating the innocent man.
Taking every oil wagon I can get. Done.
Work. Yeah, I can ignite this. Alright then, let's get you out of here. No, I meant to use the physics tool. Okay, no, there's no control Z-ing that. We're just gonna run now. Oh, that's not so...
Blue? Give me 5, buddy.
The shield's so little.
Don't miss.
Ooh, sick! I would never miss. I got the jump.
Of witnessing the cruel destruction of my other flame. No appreciation for art.
Bobada. I swear to God, lady. Get the fuck out of the way. Good cop. I'm trying to be a good police officer, for crying out loud. What?
If you shoot the gas pumps, though.
Oh.
And see, the car's right there. It seems like it's going to be a pretty rather big explosion.
Whereas, like, Max is just super descriptive about everything. He's, like, almost poetic about it.
I was a patient of yours.
Oh, well, if you want to leave the chocolates downstairs.
Player collision is great. Should have it in every single game. Guy behind the car, I'll take out.
I think Gavin's gonna get him. Turnip mash looks very similar to diesel fuel, and I highly recommend not confusing them.
I'm a flight attendant. Why would I be dirty? Well, it's a human response, but... You're not a flight attendant, you're a plumber. Okay, I've been a flight attendant for 3 years. It's a steady job, it keeps me busy.
I got you a present! Aw, thank you! I wonder what sent it. Here's your order, sir!
Thanks.
One! Hey! That's cheating! Okay, but is it cheating if I miss? What's happening? I believe that's called ricochet, my dear. Is that something we should worry about, or...? Yeah, I'm not sure. It doesn't usually go on this long. Nice shot, asshole!
Are you this villager?
Her.
I'm gonna eat grass.
Okay. There's a cat. Oh my god, it just walked us!
It's tipping over! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Subscribe, it's free, and make me smile.